Hey guys, the Desert Artist here. I wanted to show you like a quick update of where I was at in doing my little dude here. Last episode, I was having problems attaching the hat. Well, I've got the hat attached, although I'm not quite sure whether I want to do it this way or not. I may, because it's only like a single pivot access point. What I've done here is I have gone into, so what I have done is I was able to find this screw here that fits into the screw, the tapped screw up here, and it was long enough to be able to attach right here, and I still have some room to work with, whether I want to bolt all the way through and come all the way through here with the rest, twist it the rest of the way through, or if I want to stop there. I do have a little nut that will fit on the end of that screw if I need to. What I've done for the decoration on the hat is I put a dart that went through the hat, and then I put a little, it's like a little a nut that's a set screw, I guess you could call it, or a set nut, and I've put that on the end. And then on the front here I have, oh, it came off. Okay, so I know that's not going to work. I'll have to figure something else out. I guess it was meant to happen. This is where I can put that bolt. If I need to, I have that much more thread I can screw out there to accommodate whatever I need to accommodate. I just may set his hat on there totally different now. I don't know. I have this water pressure control valve thingy that looks kind of like a I don't know, one of those things in Star Wars. It had the two guns that went, you know, that traveled across the desert or whatever. I was thinking I could put that on here as some sort of a bull. I do have a bull head that I have made up around here somewhere. I don't know where it's at. Oh, there it is, right there. So I have this kind of bull head that, turn it the right way here, that is kind of mean looking, and I thought maybe I could have a bull, this being on the back as the head of the bull, and he's driving the clown wearing the top hat, and then his arms, I may tie together his arms and the hat so they can all be kind of movable. They'll be on a tripod for stability here, and it will make him totally movable, so I can use these as his shoulders, maybe come up with some arms here that come up out of here, arms that go up to his top hat, so when he dances around, his top hat will move around. And for some additional stuff, I have added a couple, I don't know, they're like little springs, and I added those in there. If you have them set just right and this moves back and forth, those springs kind of dance up and down the antennas here. You can see it's now fallen off. I'm going to have to re-tighten that, put it back up there. That's the hazards of doing artwork, I guess. And this is a magnet that I found in a parking lot. I guess it went to somebody's phone and it broke off. Anyway, it's a nice cool magnet. If I want to use it, it attaches to that bolt or anything magnetic. I don't use much magnetic stuff, so it's you could probably he attaches to the arm there. I've got little small magnets, so I could might be able to use those somehow, some way. I don't know. But that's where I'm at right now with my little dude. As you can see, I've still got all these stuff as all tentative. I might be able to use this swivel as part of what holds up his arm, because I've got another swivel there that provide for a funky elbow. If I was to put that on to one side and maneuver it around however I need to, because this rotates back and forth here and then it comes apart there. Okay, so I have to figure something out there, but anyway, those are some of the things that I'm doing. I'm saving these. I don't know what I want to do with those. I came off of that computer board I desoldered the entire computer board to get these cool little parts that might add up to be something. I don't know. I unsoldered those because it looked like a mean set of eyes with eyebrows. I don't know. Something else to think on. Anyhow, this is Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Y'all be safe, be sane.